Hey guys, it's Wednesday morning of the 24th of June 2026. Kakatapos na ng acting namin ni Kuya Kuis Joseph aka Kusina ni Pulto Vlogs. So, ang setup namin is gugulatin niya ako. So, nagulat ako parang ewan. So, kung mapapanood nyo yung ano lang yun, video na yun, acting lang yun. So gusto kong mapag-usap sa inyo how you guys are doing. Hope you guys are doing well and safe and healthy. So lately kasi nagkakaroon ako ng trigger finger dito sa middle finger ko for like I think 2 weeks na ata eh. And sometimes naglalak siya and masakit. Kaya tumitingin ako ng paano gumutin siya. Meron na akong tawag doon, yung splinter ba yun? Yeah, meron na ako ginagamit ko pero nakakalimutan ko ilagay sa gabi. Okay, so ingatan yung sarili nyo kasi tumatanda tayo, hindi naman tayo bumabata, di ba? Magkaroon pa kayo ng healthier, prosperous lives. Pero importante rin na dapat kasama mo si Jesus Christ. Ayun, yun na yun. So maybe there's a few points that I wanna maybe talk about quickly. Sometimes wala na kasi on time to further explain it kasi syempre 5-minute video vlog lang naman to. Congratulations to Alex Ayala, my favorite female tennis player for 2 years. 2 years I've been liking Alex Ayala. It's a tough game pero kailangan practice mo pa yung legs mo. Sabi nila serve mo, pero I think you're okay with your serve pero legs mo pa para maging stronger pa, more powerful pa kasi kailangan mo ng legs na talagang matatag. Secondly, yung shooting sa school shooting sa Pinas, condolence sa mga family ng namatay. It's sad to know this and hear about it. Hindi ko alam na ever mangyayari dyan sa Philippines. Magkaroon sana ng magandang investigation and right judgment dun sa minor criminals na yun. Kasi kailangan talaga ng tough judgment dun sa dalawang killers na yun. Below 18 ka man, under 18 ka man. Kapag ako naging judge, man, your family will hate me because kung ako judge, I'll give you 80 years. 80 years in prison. Okay? Person. Forget you being a minor. 80 years agad yun. And yeah. And the politics over there in the Philippines, hindi ko na pina-follow kasi talagang pinapaslord ko na. Kaya I believe na ang generation ko na lang, kabataan or below me na next ang makakapag-sweep ng mga dirtiest, corrupt politicians right there sa Pinas. Yun na lang talagang parang hope. And I'm seeing good younger politicians. So I pray na gawin niyo ang tama. Yung mga mali gawing tama. Dahil yung mga mas matatanda pa sa atin, no offense po, is yung mali talagang minamali pa hanggang mali hanggang naging bakli, ewan ko ba. But anyway, sana maayos po yan. Thirdly, sa mga police officers po dito sa Ontario, ang dami ding shootings na nangyari, nakakasad. So supporting the blue, as you see my wristband. Ingat po kayo sa inyong pagpapatrol, sa inyong response sa mga Filipino police officers dito sa Toronto. Salamat sa inyong katapangan, sa inyong righteous act. And ayun, basta be strong and courageous po kayo sa mga Pinoy police officers. And one of my family member will become a cop very soon, and I'm excited for that family member. God bless you. Shout out to you. And also future lawyer. Shout out to you too. I won't mention your names, but you know who you guys are. Alam mo kung sino yan. So, shout out to all my friends as well. Shout out to, sino pa ba shout out ko? Shout out to, you guys who's watching. Subscribe lang po kayo. At makipagkwentuhan. Kung gusto nyo makipagkwentuhan, comment lang po kayo, magtanong kayo. Keep in touch. Stay safe. Oh yeah, sa mga GTA residents, kung gusto niyo po ng RTJ Productions merch, let me know. I'll send you my or I'll give you my email address and order lang po kayo. Mura lang po. RTJ means resilient through Jesus. Yun po yun. Ingat po kayo. It is Wednesday, so have a good weekend. I guess I'll see you Monday again. Take care. Love you. Bye bye.